This is Colin from watchoffthecuff.com, and today I have a Ronda 515 watch movement, and I'm going to show you how to remove the crown and stem assembly. Now, in terms of identification, this is a little unusual. Usually the caliber number is stamped somewhere on the metal plate. In this case, it's in this integrated plastic ring that's part of the movement. So there is, and again, very close to that indication mark in the plastic ring, there is a small arrow with an indication mark. However, in the 0 position, there is no lever visible. And if we pull to the first position, it starts to rotate into position. And I'm going to pull it all the way out to the 2nd position, and there's going to be a small dimple. I'm going to use this this sharp tool, and I'm going to line it up in that hole, and I'm going to gently press down, and the crown and stem assembly is released. And to put it back in on this movement, we just need to gently, with a little bit of pressure, push in, rotate, back we go, and it is locked again into place.